Hey morning guys, so I just took my wife to Ferrari showroom to show her the 296 GTS and also took her to Porsche to show her the GT3 RS as well. So let's go ahead and ask her what she feels about both the cars. So normally जब भी मेरे को कार खरीदना रहता है I don't even take anyone's feedback क्योंकि if I like something I will just go ahead and get it. So it doesn't even make sense if anyone likes it or not. If I personally like it, I will go ahead and get it. But this time I actually took her to check both the cars कि मैं वो पहले
I don't have much knowledge about cars.
because anyways you don't even know driving.
Regarding looks, at least I can
You can
guide
give a feedback. So you have already seen both GT3 RS and the Ferrari 296. Which one do you like?
Well, if you ask me whether Ferrari, both are equally good. Okay, so दोनों
हिंदी हमारे लोगों को इतना इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता है. Make it हिंदी.
Okay, तो दोनों इक्वली बहुत ही अच्छे कार्स हैं. तो जैसे कि फरारी कंफर्ट के एंगल से अगर
Yeah,
हम
of course.
देखते हैं,
Very
मच
comfortable.
कंफर्टेबल. और GT3 RS पर्सनली मैंने तो राइड पे नहीं गया.
But you have already tried to sit
I
that day in
have never
GT3.
gone for a test ride.
You cannot even sit inside the GT3 RS. It's very difficult. The moment you
Ride
try
पे
to
तो-
get in,
yeah, अभी तक
Impossible.
नहीं गई पर
but yes, you can try. You can try.
टुडे वी कैन ट्राई इफ पॉसिबल.
Today you can try. Yes, but you have already seen both the cars. What do you feel about the looks?
लुक्स बोथ आर इक्वली. आई लव पोर्शा. मुझे पोर्शा अच्छा लगता है. हर एक कार उसके सारे पोर्शा कार्स अच्छे लगते हैं. तो इट्स लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. और फरारी फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ द कार विच ही शोड इट टू मी. और बस वही सिंगल ग्रीन कार जो कि मुझे
Oh,
बहुत
it was
ही मतलब
sexy, super sexy.
I liked it very
बहुत
much.
जबरदस्त था. But the only
बहुत
thing is
ज़्यादा.
we don't have so many parkings.
Yeah, also it was too much expensive.
The green one, green one was more
yes.
expensive because
Yeah, more
that is a
expensive,
tailor
too
made.
expensive.
Tailor made. Ferrari का system ऐसा है. The car is
Otherwise, I
same.
would have told you just go and get it. No.
Green वाला.
Yeah.
हाँ, green वाला. Tapas was also saying, but I told him it's very expensive. No point actually getting
अगर
this.
कंपेयर करते हैं तो वो बहुत ही हर एक एंगल से मतलब
बहुत ही सुंदर. Very sexy. Ferraris of course. It's like made. It's very sexy. Like any of the Ferraris you see on the road,
Also
it's
the
very
red
sexy.
cars which we had gone yesterday to
Oh,
see.
lovely.
Those were
नहीं,
lovely.
Ferrari red में अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ.
That is what they're saying. The showroom
Do
is
you know
saying
one thing? मुझे क्या लगता था पहले कि फरारी का खाली रेड कार्स ही होता है.
that because the official colors are same.
I was
So,
thinking
should
only
it-
red cars they are making.
No,
That
no,
is
no.
why it is famous for making red cars.
उनके
Even
इतने
Rich
सारे
was
colours
having a
हैं.
toy, red Ferrari.
Yeah, Ferrari में a lot of people know Ferrari means red and red car है मतलब वो Ferrari ही है.
Yeah.
It's not like
That's
that.
what
Ferrari
I was
का
also wondering.
they have a color palette where you can choose any color you want. Any color you want, they will get it done. And for that color they are charging. दुबई
Those
में
premium colors.
दुबई में they are charging close to 40 lakhs just for the color. Only for the color 40 lakhs. India may believe it will be close to 70 or 80 lakhs, not less than that. Only for the color.
See, GT3 RS, as you're saying, it's a limited edition car.
GT3
and the
RS
production is also
very
going to
low.
be discontinued
Yes.
after few
So it's
months.
like
you're
it's
saying.
more like an investment.
So,
It's more like an investment. You buy
You
it,
should
and
get
if
it.
someday you want plan to sell, you can actually make money out of it as well. But of course, I'm not going to sell it. But that is how it is. But that car is not for streets.
a track car, yeah.
Yes, GT3 RS is a dedicated 100% track car. You cannot even ride it on the roads.
At
Very
first, I
difficult.
was denying because I thought it's a track car, as you said.
It is.
और तो कि
उसको
मतलब
चलाना बहुत
ज़्यादा
मुश्किल है.
difficulty हो सकता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा
चलाने
मुश्किल
में.
है. I'm telling you, the GT3 RS में बैठ के चलना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल because it's not at all comfortable.
And you have to be attentive when you're riding.
Very attentive. It's very
attentive,
fast.
very
It's loud. Naturally aspirated engine. But the thing is, it's Porsche. Porsche
And
is very
when
good.
you said you have the dangerous engine
Bike.
bike at home, then I said, why did you even buy it?
बाइक का तो फन ही अलग है. But वही है. GT3
When you
RS.
already have this, so I thought, okay, go get this Porsche as well.
देखते हैं बट फेरारी का तो वो वही कह रहे हैं. दे आर सेइंग दे विल टेक 18 months. सो इफ यू प्लान टू ऑर्डर इट एज पर योर कॉन्फिग दे विल टेक 18 months. तो मैंने उन्हें कहा कि वेट फॉर सम डेज, लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन गेट द GT3 क्योंकि GT3 RS मैंने जिसको साथ बात
See,
किया हुआ था
this is
प्रॉब्लम.
your hard-earned money. This is your.
I will
you
anyway.
are-
I like both of. I like
you
both the
love
cars.
so you should choose whatever is
I like
good
both the
for
cars.
you. Whatever looks
But thing
good
is,
to you.
Ferrari, everyone will enjoy. Even a passenger, if I want someone to sit and come with me,
I'm okay
they will
with
enjoy.
everything. Yeah.
But
I'm not
GT3
a car
RS passenger
fanatic,
will
but
not enjoy. They will panic, constantly panic. They will constantly panic. But
I just
Ferrari will
I just
never
love
need
to
to panic.
see you being
Oh,
crazy for the cars. Otherwise, I'm okay with everything.
But which one did you like the most as per the looks?
Most, as per the look, if you ask, both. But Porsche as I said, it's my
Looks
favorite.
good,
So
yeah, looks
all
better.
Porsche cars looks good, like even more
एंड
than
हमें
Ferrari.
एक्चुअली हमें आज तक ओनली हम जब भी खरीदने जाते हैं हमें ब्लैक ही मिलते हैं भाई. मतलब Z4 वॉज ब्लैक व्हेन आई ऑर्डर्ड इट, जी वैगन वॉज ब्लैक, टाइकन वॉज ब्लैक, G63 इज ब्लैक, GT3 अरे भी जो फाइनल हो के वो भी
Yeah,
ब्लैक.
it is already
अभी फेरारी में भी जो मेरे को मिल रहा है वो जो कह रहे हैं कि 20 डेज के अंदर भी आप ले सकते हो वो भी ब्लैक मिल रहा है. भाई कितने ब्लैक कार्स में खरीदूं इस बार. आई हैव डिसाइडेड इस बार नो
Even
ब्लैक.
if you remember, Z4 was black and inside it was red.
Yes,
the same
exactly
config
the
we
same.
are getting for Ferrari.
फेरारी एज वेल सेम.
Yeah, same.
So it's almost been always the same. तो वही सेम मतलब ब्लैक 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 ब्लैक. इस बार अगर भी ब्लैक का आ जाता है आई विल मेक श्योर आई एम गेटिंग ए रैप डन प्रॉपर. क्या करें उसको कलर्ड रैप करेंगे, मे बी येलो और मे बी एसिड ग्रीन, मे बी रेड और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
You always like to have the factory colors, you said.
Yeah, that is what I'm planning. So probably I will get used to the black. क्योंकि Taycan भी black ही था तो black actually इतना अच्छा दिखता है कि the moment you do the PPF उसके बाद क्योंकि और सारे कलर मे बी विल गेट बोर्ड. इवन मतलब अभी भी यू फील कि आई विल हैव द येलो का, बट आफ्टर 1 month और 1 week यू विल फील अरे यार ये तो मजा नहीं आ रहा है, लेट्स चेंज द कलर. बट ब्लैक में यू नेवर गेट बोर्ड. एनी टाइम यू कैन जस्ट वॉश इट, गेट रेडी
That
एंड
is a unique color.
and let's say if you're going for a meeting, you cannot drive a yellow car to the meeting. But if it's a black car, you can actually
Formal.
drive. You
Any
cannot.
formal
If
event.
you're wearing a suit or something formal, you cannot drive a yellow or green car to a meeting. आप black car लेके जा सकते हो.
For
Yellow and
that
green car you
only
cannot take
you
that.
can have two cars, two different cars.
I don't have. तापस को पेल देती है फेरारी को. तापस को पेल देते हैं, उसके पार्किंग में एक जगह है उसको पेल देते हैं, उसके पार्किंग में रख दें. क्योंकि हमारा दोनों का पार्किंग में ओनली दो कार ही रह सकता है. तो तापस का ही एक पार्किंग खाली है, तापस को पेल देंगी भाई तेरे को ये ब्लैक वाला पकड़ा देते हैं, तापस को हो जाएगा, उसके बाद 4 कार रह जाएगा. बट लेट्स
But he likes colorful cars.
तापस लाइक्स रेड ग्रीन येलो, तो तापस के लिए भी वो ब्लैक ही आ रहा है. सो लेट्स सी. बट वही है फेरारी का, दे आर सेइंग इफ यू नीड इट एज पीरियड कॉन्फिग इट नीड्स 12 to 18 months. बट पोर्शा ब्लैक वाला ऑलरेडी फाइनल हो गया है. देखते हैं जाके, होपफुली मे बी टुडे वी शुड बी एबल टू क्लोज इट. लेट्स सी.
So listen, what if I ask you look wise? तो आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगा? Porsche?
Look wise,
Yeah.
I would say I will give you like genuine feedback
is the-
because I
what is
like
the
both of them. I like
difference
both of them. I
you
would say
felt? Yeah.
like if it's me, because I don't have to show off to anyone ki yes I made it in life, this is my car. I don't want to be like, I don't want to show off because everyone knows. But अगर किसी को शो ऑफ करना है, अगर इसको शो ऑफ करना है कि आई हैव दिस कार, देन फेरारी. बिकॉज फेरारी ब्रांड नेम लोगों,
Ferrari and Lamborghini.
हाँ लोगों को मूवीज में दिखती है फेरारी तो उनको लगता है कि फेरारी इज द बिगेस्ट. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बेस्ट कार्स इन द वर्ल्ड आर ऑलवेज मेड बाय पोर्शा. बेस्ट हैंडलिंग, बेस्ट ड्राइविंग. आई हैव ड्रिवन ऑल ऑफ दोस कार्स. आई वुड से नथिंग ड्राइव्स लाइक ए पोर्शा. बट येस, इफ समवन वांट्स टू शो ऑफ एंड जस्ट वांट टू बी वेरी लाउड एंड जिसको कहना है कि येस आई हैव मेड इट इन लाइफ, दिस इज माय कार, then Ferrari. Like you want to show off, you want to go to a meeting, you want to show that yes I have a car, I'm driving this Ferrari, makes more sense. But if you're someone who is into like raw experience, naturally aspirated engine का जिसको meaning मालूम हो, car guys, they will instantly choose, even if they get a free Ferrari.
Now I
they will
understand the
choose-
difference.
Yes. Ferrari is a hybrid turbocharged engine. So the sound and everything is more like muffled and मतलब machinery करके वो sound को निकालते हैं.
That's what I was saying. You said
Porsche is raw sound.
भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Sound
Ferrari
अच्छा है
का.
because it's programmed to sound. But
Yeah.
Porsche is not programmed to sound. Porsche it's a naturally aspirated, it's natural sound. Vroom. But Ferrari is doing that fine tuning in the sound, so they will want to make sure people are getting that feel ki, oh it sounds very loud. But the thing is Porsche
You've done
is
so much of research.
This is why I sell consulting for cars. So if you go for looks and if you want to show off,
Proper research. No?
if you want to show off, nothing like Ferrari of course, but if you want to have the best driving experience, best user experience, best features, everything all in one, nothing like Porsche. Second,
So he tells
depreciation.
take his consultation.
I do. I mean, I don't have any consultation slots free now because next 2 months I am totally busy. Second is about price.
Yeah.
Price, दोनों का price पूरा ही same है. I believe the GT3 RS is 30 lakhs, 25 lakhs cheaper than 296 GTS Ferrari. And
Oh, you mean the Porsche is?
Porsche is 20-35 lakhs cheaper.
But Ferrari has like
Yes,
different.
that is the main
they have
thing.
the difference. In
That is the main thing. You cannot buy a Porsche even if you have 100 crores in a bank account. You cannot buy a
There is a
Porsche.
limitation.
You cannot buy the GT3. You cannot have the allocation.
Allocation.
Porsche will decide by doing your background check. Are you going to? Are they going to sell the car to you?
Yeah, I heard from you few days back. You were saying
वो
they
नहीं
are,
देंगे.
they are checking. At least you are an owner of 5 Porsche
Five.
cars.
Now for GT3 RS, they are saying you need to have at least 10 Porsche.
10.
10. Owner of 10. You should have a history of 10 Porsche cars.
Oh my god.
That is only when you will be eligible. That is why GT3 RS is so limited. And it's so limited. उसीलिए उसका price, it's more like an investment. If I buy now and maybe if I want to sell it next month, I can easily make maybe 50 to 60 lakhs extra money. मतलब कार बेच के भी हम 50 अभी जो owner मतलब who has got it all the way from Germany, he is trying to sell me for extra 1 crore he is charging us. 1 crore. So even if I want to sell, maybe I can sell it for more 50 lakhs. So GT3 RS is very limited. It's very difficult to get. But yes, Ferrari is easy. If you just go ahead, do a config. If you are ready to pay, they will take the payment and make the order. Easy to get a Ferrari, of course. The 296 GTS, GTB, anything you want. But GT3 RS, I mean, it's next to impossible. No matter, even if you have 1,000 crores in your bank account, they are not going to give the car to you until unless they are like, okay, this guy is eligible to get the car. Very difficult. Price का भी वैसा है, and a lot of stuff and handling as well. If you see Ferrari, it was great. It was riding good, but it was not handling as good as Porsche. Porsche handling is something else. Like in one single finger, you can actually stay at 200 kilometers per hour as well. But Ferrari, you just have to make sure you are holding the steering all the time. So बहुत सारे छोटे मोटे चीज़ है. Maybe someday I will make a video
And
details
many
about it.
features like the touch screen. And
Ferrari का वो थोड़ा लोचा है. Like the main dash is very nice, but they don't have any touch screen or something. सब कुछ एक ही steering से. They don't have extra screen as well. सब कुछ वही screen से वो एक ही जगह से ही होगा. So it's kind of distracting while driving. While Porsche, they have a dedicated screen for Apple CarPlay, everything. So you don't have to stay distracted. You can just do it, then keep on do it and keep on. But Ferrari, you just have to keep on fiddling all those
so for
buttons
the
and all those.
ease of driving, you need a Porsche, you're saying.
Everyone, like everyone who can afford it, who has like 6-7 crores to spend on a car, I would say. But yes, GT3 RS is not for everyone. But anyone who has money, they should go ahead and get a Ferrari. Hands down, they should go ahead and get a Ferrari because GT3 RS is something which 99% of people cannot drive. They are not going to enjoy. It's for that specific niche of people जिनको cars के बारे में मालूम है. Those who know what is naturally aspirated engine, those who know the difference between turbocharged versus naturally aspirated engine. No one knows. Yeah, no one knows. Very difficult. It's only for car guys. उनके लिए है नहीं तो नहीं. There are
like
people,
me.
those who
This
keeps
world is
interest.
so
Yeah,
big.
I'm just saying like most of the
In general.
99% of people don't have any idea about कि natural aspirated engine का मतलब क्या है, single twin turbocharged का मतलब क्या है, turbocharged का मतलब क्या है, turbo का मतलब क्या है. Lot of complex stuff
People
are there.
mostly want the look.
Look,
the
look. It has
of
to
the
look.
car. It has
So
to be-
if anyone is having that kind of money to spend, I mean nothing like Ferrari. Go ahead and get a Ferrari, of course. But yes, if you are into cars, you know how things work. You know how a natural aspirated engine sounds like. Nothing like Porsche. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you got to learn something new. Options कैसे क्या प्राइसिंग रहता है वो सब कुछ मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, तो आपको मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली आइडिया आ चुका होगा. बट द थिंग इज कि फेरारी में दैट इज हाउ इट वाज. दे आर नेवर गोइंग टू गिव यू द प्राइस ऑप्शन, कुछ भी आपको नहीं देंगे until unless they feel like you are yes you can buy it. नहीं तो आपको कभी प्राइसिंग नहीं मिलने वाला. एंड मैंने आपको प्राइस का आइडियाज दे दिया. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू द एग्जैक्ट प्राइसिंग बिकॉज दैट इज मोर लाइक ए नॉन कॉन्फिडेंशियल डेटा, सो आई कैन नॉट स्पीक मोर अबाउट इट. सो मैंने क्या किया है, आपको एक अप्रोक्सीमेट प्राइसिंग आपको दे दिया. जस्ट एटलीस्ट यू कैन have an idea कि each option costs how much. If you've got any question, let me know in the comments.